Hello students, welcome back to CLARIconcepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. We at CLARIconcept platform are here to solve all your engineering concepts and make you aware about the fundamental principles behind the engineering topics. Okay, so visit our website clariconcepts.com for more such engineering videos and on engineering concepts. So today in this lecture we are going to talk about the rotameter. Now we are all aware that flow measurement, meaning what is the amount of fluid flowing through a pipe, is really essential parameter to monitor, mainly in the process industries where there are a lot of pipe network which are available for fluids to transfer the fluid from one location to other location. And as an engineer you must make sure that the specific amount of fluid is flowing through particular pipe at a particular flow rate. And in order to make sure the flow rate, in order to measure the flow rate, there are various devices available today. So we have seen venturimeter, we know what is orifice meter. They are all the devices which are mounted in the pipe to measure the flow rate. Today we will talk about another device called rotameter, which is very interesting and very simple. Now no calculation required to measure the flow rate using rotameter. So let us see what is that. So rotameter is simple, this device. This is the real image of rotameter. What you need to do, the pipe where the flow rate is to be measured, you simply, let's say you have the pipe like this. Or you can say, for example, a pipe like this. But here the condition is rotameter has to be installed in the vertical length of the pipe, right? This is a pipe, for example. What you do is you simply break the pipe, cut the simple portion and insert this over here. So this bottom portion will be at the bottom, pipe will be connected here and top pipe will be connected over here. So your fluid will flow through this rotameter. Now if you see a rotameter, there is a scale given to you. And in rotameter there will be a float. This is called a float.